The Village was developed in the 1970s and has been a significant development ever since then, and just still really carries that vintage Austin charm.
They know it. If you've lived here, you've heard of the Village. You know of the Village.
It's convenient for everyone, easy to get to. We have great parking here.
Because when I tell people where you located, I tell them, there's like, oh yeah, okay, whereabouts on Anderson Lane?
In 2018, High Five jumped at the opportunity to come to this Anderson Lane Village location, be part of an Austin landmark shopping center. It's really done a lot to expose our brand to Central Austin.
Again, the Village has also just sort of modernized itself and just kind of keeping up with the times as well too, so.
I love that we're having multifamily developments pop up, that people would be able to walk across the street, check out what we have to offer, but also just get the true vibe of what Austin is. It's friendship, it's family, and it's community.